In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the ChatGPT server status. If you ever run into issues while accessing ChatGPT, this guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. First, you'll want to determine if the issue lies with ChatGPT itself. To do this, visit status.openai.com, http status.openai.com. This site provides real-time updates on the operational status of OpenAI services. If you notice that the servers are down, unfortunately, there's not much you can do except wait patiently for OpenAI to resolve the issue. They are usually quick to identify and fix server problems, so checking back periodically is a good idea. Another step you can take is to simply refresh the page. Sometimes the hiccup might just be a temporary glitch. For a quick refresh, you can press Ctrl+R if you're using Windows or Command+R on a Mac. If the problem was just a one-time error, this could solve it instantly. If refreshing doesn't help, clearing your browser's cache and cookies is your next best step. Navigate to your browser's settings, head to the privacy and security section, and select clear browsing data. Ensure that you select both cache and cookies before proceeding. Once you've cleared your browsing data, restart your browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. This can help resolve any issues caused by outdated or corrupted cache and cookies. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. If you're using extensions like ad blockers, VPN tools, or privacy software, they may cause conflicts with ChatGPT. Try disabling them temporarily and then reload ChatGPT. If the site works, one of the extensions was the cause, and you can experiment with enabling them one by one to find out which one is problematic. If you're still having trouble, consider switching browsers or even devices. Popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox are generally compatible with ChatGPT, but using the ChatGPT app on your mobile device can be a good alternative if the browser approach fails. A stable internet connection is crucial for accessing any web service. Make sure to restart your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data if necessary. Running an internet speed test is also a good way to ensure your connection is up to par. As another troubleshooting step, try opening ChatGPT in incognito or private mode. This will allow you to bypass any stored cache or cookies that might be impacting your experience. A simple yet sometimes overlooked step is to restart your device. Rebooting your computer or phone can clear out any temporary software glitches that might be causing these issues. If you're using a VPN or proxy, consider disabling them and trying again. VPNs can sometimes slow down or block certain services. Finally, if the issue persists and it's indeed an OpenAI server issue, sometimes patience is your best option. Sit tight, give it some time, and try accessing the service later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you troubleshoot ChatGPT access issues.